Ito yun, yung parang ang relationship status ng isang tao, walang jowa.
Paano makaka-apekto yun?
Like,
With or without a jowa, you are yourself. You are who you are. You are happy. You are whole. The jowa is just a cherry on top, di ba? At ikaw rin yung cherry on top sa buhay niya. Pero dapat with or without anyone, happy ka.
pero looking forward ka that one day,
No, I don't care.
yung the one will
Ikaw,
come to you.
looking forward ka.
Okay. Any message na lang sa...
Nasasabi ko lang na masarap mag-isa, tapos sasabihin mo looking forward, sinira mo naman yung speech ko.
Hindi. So, ibig sabihin, parang ikaw talaga, parang ready ka na anytime. Kung dumating man o wala,
Ready ako.
oh, tamo. Ayan, ganyan ka-independent si Alex. So, Alex, thank you very much. At alam ko, special favor itong ginawa mo sa akin ito. At hindi ko
Favor,
ito
hindi siya nakiusap.
malilimutan.